I am the global product manager for the cleaner rotational thrombectomy system. The system is indicated for the peripheral vasculature and doing mechanical declots. We focus a lot on the dialysis side. On the dialysis work, patients, these are very sick patients, and they spend a lot of time in these dialysis treatment facilities getting treatment. Their kidneys are not functioning properly. And so they're in these facilities 3 days a week for hours at a time. It occupies a tremendous portion of their life. So they develop a blood clot. Getting that clot removed is really stressful for them. On one of their very few times off in between their treatments, they have to go into another medical facility, get the treatment done. It ruins basically like one of their very few free days outside of treatment. The cleaner rotational thrombectomy system does a good job of clearing that clot, getting them fully patent, and sending them back to dialysis treatment quicker, right? They don't have to have extended hospital stays, and they just get more of their life back, more of their freedom. They get to keep those days that are so valuable to them. That's my job, to kind of keep the product going, and oftentimes that can mean a number of different things. We could be working on marketing collateral one day, a social media campaign another day, quality issues another day, physician engagements, like where we're having speaking events with different doctors, conferences. It can be any number of things. I tend to look at marketing a little bit more data focused, a little bit more analytical sometimes. I like to understand the nuts and bolts of the product first and foremost. If I can explain, or if I can understand myself how a product is built and what that does for the patients and for the physicians when it's actually being used in the field, that helps me to market it more effectively, because I can really stand behind, I understand the construction of the product and how it's being used.